Hi guys, so in this video we're talking about a demo walkthrough of all-in-one HRM. Hi guys, now in this video we're talking about a demo walkthrough of HRM management platform all-in-one centralized for all employees operations. So now this is a very secure platform that you can set as a company for your employees. This can be managed by HRM department to know recruitment, contract, all of this etc like that. So in this video I'll do a demo walkthrough of what it does, how you can set it for a company, and note this is a one-time payment for a lifetime access. You don't have to pay, you have to use once and you use it for life. Now, if you're just waiting for the first time, please ensure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video. Also, comment if you need to set it up. Contact me via the on the screen, and I will be ready for the hours. Now, let's get right to it. Now, like I said, it is only one HR management platform where it's centralized to manage all employees, operation into one secure dashboard. This is a dashboard, and it's self-hosted to grow business, and you have full control of what is going on in your business. For example, maybe a contract, there's a contract management, you can manage it. Maybe there's an employee that needs to go on leave, you can, just like Zoho management system. There's so many platforms like that that you pay heavily to get this done, but this is a option that you can get for affordable rates and set it up for your company, and you can manage all your employees, how everybody's doing their work, and how this can be managed by the HRM system, like I said. So now you can also manage attendance tracking system where our people comes in, on time, punctuality, things like that. And also you can also automate the payroll system. You can also manage leave, like I mentioned earlier, recruitment, onboarding, appraisals, go tracking, training development, all of them, calendar. If you want to like book system, it's like that. So this is the admin control. This can be managed by the HR department, like I said. So here you see all of the staffs that you have and their roles of each staff. So you can set that up. The management system, you can set how many branches your company has, department, the nature of each employees. It is like that. So yeah, this user I said is people that can use the platform, that can use this particular platform, can set people that can use it. So if you want maybe the finance to use it, the HR to use it, the managing director to use it, so can set users. So also document management, the meeting, calendar, media library, leave management, attendance management, tracking. Can see all of them are there, so it's very easy. And payroll system, even currency, a landing page, etc. So now this, like I said, this can be set up for your company at an affordable rate, and it's ready for the 8 hours. If you want to get this done, contact me via this on the screen, and I would help you set it up for an affordable fee. Like I said, so if you have any questions, just drop in the comment section now. If you are a company and you have a lot of employees, this software is the best for you to use. HR department can handle this to understand what is going on in the company, the contract, the leave, all of your employees, how you can do a management of all of your employees. This is the best software for you. So if I see my next video, so don't forget to like this video, share this video, drop a comment if you want more of this video, and I will do more of it. And I see my next video. Bye bye.